What's up, fam? It's your girl Q back at Blessed to be a Blessing. I just wanted to shout out to you guys because today is my birthday. Say hello to mom. She was here with me on this day 48 years ago. All right. So we just wanted to say, hey, we're in Philly. We're having a great time. And I'll have a nice review of the Devon's Seafood Restaurant coming out for you. All right. Thank you so much. Don't forget to tell me happy birthday. Shout out to my blessed one. I wanted to do a quick mukbang of Devon Seafood and Grill. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the menu, show you what we're gonna order, give it a little taste, tell you what it tastes like, and then I'll rate it. All right. So thank you so much. Tune in and check out the menu. This drink is called the Pink Ribbon. It has Cali Rosa Blanco, Disaronno Amaretto, lemon juice, strawberry puree, and it's topped with Prosecco. Okay, let's see what it tastes like. Oh, this is delicious. Let's see what mom thinks about it. Oh yeah. Stay tuned. The appetizer is the shared sampler platter. It's got jumbo lump crab meat right there to the right, fried calamari in the middle there, and then like shrimp scampi, and it comes with 3 sauces. And toasted bread. We got some toasted bread with it. Oh yeah, this is about to smack right here. Here's the shrimp scampi. You want to try another sauce, Mommy? Calamari. Jumbo lump crab meat, crab cake. Oh, real good. That kind of like, that sauce like kind of like sweet and tangy. This slaw is good. It tastes like the vinegar in there. Some type of spice and seasoning. I'm over here grubbing. What
I was eating while you was filming.
Oh, I know. You done set up and got full. This is the filet mignon, grilled asparagus, and the lobster macaroni and cheese. And this is Mom's grilled chicken Caesar salad. It's like a little cheese crisp on the side. Pretty good. Now let's see what it all tastes like. Now that's the lobster mac and cheese. Look at that. It's creamy. You want to taste the steak? Go ahead. Yeah, you can have some too. Cut your piece. It tastes better than the one from Real Crisp. Yeah, I'm sure. It's juicy. It's cooked right. Right temperature, medium. If you don't eat your steak medium, you ain't wrong. Thank you guys for joining me and Mom at my birthday dinner at Devon Seafood Grill in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Please make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Oh yeah, and I give this place a 10 out of 10. Thank you. Love y'all. Mean it.